Hey, we are Dan and Kate. We are 2 years into van life. We've been doing this, 2 years now. So, yeah, we're just going to do a very quick video on winter and, top 5 tips for winter. We haven't rehearsed this, so it's just straight off the bat. Top 5. Go.
Good insulation.
Yes.
That'll be my top one. First van had none, did it? This one has
none.
some, slightly better.
We woke
A lot better.
up and it was like there was water frozen in our glass. That wasn't fun.
Yeah.
So insulation, number 1. Number 2.
Ooh, I don't know.
Some sort of heat source, I'd say.
Yeah.
Whether that's a diesel heater, whether that's electric heater, a wood burner, whatever it is, just have some sort of heat source. Gas as well, you can use gas, obviously be careful with that kind of stuff, but having a heat source is good.
And the gas definitely does make it like a damp heat. That is the other thing. So when you switch it off, it does feel damper.
Definitely does.
Yeah, but it is fast.
It is quick. Alright, number 3.
Number
next thing.
3. Oh, thick duvet.
A thick duvet.
Yeah. And pajamas. That makes a big difference.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, that makes a huge difference.
And don't open your door too much.
Yeah. Is that one? Is that number 4?
Well, I don't know, but you always want to leave the door open. It's really chilly.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, that's true. What's another one? Trying to think. Cover your windows. Cover your windows. It doesn't help a huge amount, but it does help a bit. Or if you've got a fan, putting like a little. We've got a cover on our Max Air fan, so it just covers it, keeps that little bit of extra heat in. So, yeah, that's 5. See you around.